Hello, amigos. Welcome back. Today we are back with one more important topic, which is alum. So the question we have to start with is what is an alum? So alum is a chemical compound of the formula M2SO4 dot M-2SO4 thrice 24H2O. So if you observe here I have used normal M, and whereas here I have used M dash. So this is mainly to differentiate between two types of metal. So what is the difference? So M is mainly used to denote monovalent cation. I repeat, in this formula, this M is mainly used, or this metal is mainly for monovalent cations. Then M dash is for trivalent cations. Trivalent cations. For example, let us see few examples of monovalent cations. So we know Na plus, potassium ion, and we have rubidium ion. All these are examples of monovalent cations. Likewise, if I talk about trivalent cations, we have our famous aluminum ion, then we have chromium ion, we have iron. So all these are examples of trivalent cations. So aluminum compounds are simply, so alums are chemical compounds of the general formula M2SO4, M-2SO4 whole thrice, and 24H2O, where M is monovalent cation and M dash is trivalent metal ion. Okay. So to drive this point home, let us look at a small example. So we have this famous example, which is potash alum. Potash alum. So with the formula K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice, and 24H2O. So if you look here, if you compare this formula with the general formula, what we have? Here we have potassium ion, which is a monovalent cation, and we have aluminium, which is a trivalent metal atom. So this is an example of alums. Now, this is all about identification of alum. Now the question is, how do we name an alum? So now we are dealing with naming of an alum. So let us see how do we name these alums. Now, in the name, if aluminum is present, I repeat, in an alum, if aluminum is present, then naming of that alum is based on monovalent metal. Monovalent metal atom. For example, if you take this example, here in this alum, aluminum is present. So the naming should be done based on monovalent atom, which is potassium. So that's why the naming is potassium alum, potash alum. Now the second rule says that if aluminum is not present, I repeat, if aluminum is not present, then the naming is based on trivalent metal atom. Then the naming is based on trivalent atom. Let us take an example to drive this point home. So we have K2SO4, Cr2SO4 whole thrice, and 24H2O. So if you look at this alum, there is no aluminum present. So this is an example of, so we have to follow second rule to name this. How do you name this? Naming is based upon trivalent atom, which is chromium. So name of this alum is chromalum. So name of this alum is chromic alum, chromalum. Alright. So this is how we identify an alum, and this is how we name these alums based on these two rules. I hope you understand. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.